Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own Iotdm plugin. If you haven't downloaded the developer version of our Iotdm, you can go to our wiki page and use git command to download the latest Iotdm. And you can go to your target folder to download it. After you download the Iotdm, don't forget to switch to the correct branch. So currently our latest features are in the Brilliant branch, but in the future you might only need to go to the master branch. After you download the Iotdm, don't forget to switch to the Brilliant branch because our latest features are now in the Brilliant branch. But in the future, you might need to go to the master branch. It depends on what is the latest branch. Now you are in the Brilliant branch. I suggest you to use IntelliJ, which is a powerful tool to open the Iotdm. Now you can go to the plugin folder to check the README file. So this will give you an overview of what is Iotdm plugin and how to create and how to write the provider, how to use listener, such things. Now let me show you how I create my Iotdm plugin. So first, let's follow the README file step by step. Now I would use terminal function inside IntelliJ, which would let me to read the README file. So currently I'm in the Iotdm folder. Now let's go to OM2M plugin. So inside the OM2M plugins, you can find this simple adapter and the TSDR plugin. Once we create our own plugin, we will see ours here. Because we are in the Brilliant branch, we would copy this. But if you are in the master branch, you can copy the borrowed template. Before we copy the template, you would go to the website here to check what is the latest version of the version number. So here it is 1.1.2. Now let's start to search the startup archetype. Now we can find the latest version is 1.1.3, so we will need to change the 1.1.2 to 1.1.3 in the template. So let's change that. So the Maven function would ask you to type the group ID, architect ID, such things. So in our example, the group ID is the same here. But the artifact ID, you would have to name yourself. So in our example, I would choose 1pm Duet. So Duet is a plugin that I would like to create. And the package ID is this. Just follow the README file. Now we've created a new folder called 1pm Duet. So this is a Maven project we just created by the template. Now let's follow the README file. So first we would go to the features.xml file here, and we would add this repository line after the last repository statement. Then add this line above the import. And since my Duet plugin would use another feature of Iotdm, which is HTTP feature, so I would like to send HTTP request by Postman when I start the graph. So I would have to add the 1to-m HTTP feature, so that when I start the whole plugin, there is a whole HTTP function inside the graph. So this line would add that support. Now you've finished the feature.xml. Let's continue to the POM file inside the feature folder. Again, here you have to check the latest version of 1pm. Although here it is 0.1.2, the latest version is 0.1.3, because we just use 1.1.3 to generate the template. Then add the dependency. Then edit the tone file inside import folder. Again, here is 1.3. So the version number we have to match here what we just created. So go to the import folder, add a dependency. Now we've finished the generate process. Now let's try to compile it. Let's go to the parent folder. Don't forget to add the skip tests here because you don't want to compile the whole thing. This process may take several minutes, so let's wait. There are some error information. So if you match such error information, you have to read the explanation carefully. So here we have our features failure, and the feature is not the dependency of the project. So I have found the problem here. So you have to put the dependency inside the dependency rather than the dependency management. So now it should be fine. So after you fix the issue, now you can successfully compile the Iotdm.